You're gonna sing after me. You're gonna say, "Haul away the bowling ho." I went to get my uniform signed. I think was it when I went to get my uniform signed? And oh, maybe it was when I got my staff pass. And they said we need your county, where you're from, like your province. So that was Derbyshire. And then she looked at me. And I was like, oh right, okay, it's D-E-R-B. And she was like, I have to ask because, you know, so many Brits come in and then it's not at all how it sounds. It's spelled completely different. I was like, yeah, I get that.
We are cunts when it comes to words, aren't we?
Yeah.
Everybody ready?
Fuck yeah, man.
4 seconds and we'll be ready to disembark on an adventure.
Well, this is my first time on the Capital Mercury. See how it goes. So it's slightly set back. The rocker camber instead of just a full camber. So I'm not quite sure. It's going to feel different for sure. It actually feels very fucking different. When you rode the ball for the first time, you're not sure if you like it. I guess we'll get used to it as we ride down. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure I like it. No.
Maybe the first bit. Wow.
This is true. It feels very weird. That's going to be our life, boys.
That's going to be us next week, fellas. Well,
Yeah.
the week after. Are we? Where are we going?
Remember,
Oh, you're going to
going to Bridge? Well, I'm going to go down Bridge. I'm going to ride this for a bit. Look at them. Having the best times of their life on both sides of the flag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright then, Kieran. You look like your leg just collapsed when you were walking. You were like, ugh.
Did you? I wasn't looking where I was going and I hit a slight hole. Worst recorded run ever. You're going to see nothing.
You're gonna see nothing.
Go on, you go.
You'll see nothing. Joey. Let's be on the hop.
Following Tomo. Probably not going to see much. Tomo's in orange and blue. Luke Ben is here. If you can hear me over the fucking wind. I've been really trying, baby.
Oh, I see how it is.
Get sprayed, motherfucker! It's not bad. Whoa. Going good.
Now, push you, Jack.
Benjamin.
Buongiorno.
Where are we going? Left or right? I
Follow.
never say no to a cougar.
Gonna go right?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Right.
That's what he said. Oh, I thought it was Ben.
I thought it was Ben.
Getting excited. Oh, avoid all the trees. Oh, rock. Avoid the trees. Walk off, that's a rock front. But you're looking sick, Ben.
Huh?
Keep going.
I need a rest. My legs are shot.
That was looking good though.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like an assault course. You gotta miss all the branches.
It's good training.
It's like miss the moguls and the branches. Look out for the hidden rocks. Follow Tomo's line for a second.
Oh, is this bad?
Yeah, there's a big rock here. You'll be able to get past
Okay,
it.
this
Just
bad.
go inside.
Then I have to go switch. That's a bit of a fucking conundrum, that, isn't it? Oh, can't go that way. Might dig into that. It's a bush. Oh, save the board at all costs. After you, buddy. No, you're okay.
It's alright, you can go here.
Thank you, buddy.
Of course. Did you hit that little kicker at the end?
No.
I did, and as I went over it started sinking, but it was still enough for me to get air, so I was like, what's going on?
Very good.
That was a cool run.
Yeah.
Bit busy, but a cool run.
No, it's like trying to do moguls and miss the wood, the sticks.
I'd be happy to do that again.
Yeah?
Do you want to do that again?
Yeah.
Ready? So you're gonna sing after me. You're gonna say, "Haul away the bowling, ho!" Like that. Okay, so we'll try it now. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Haul away the bowling, ho! And then after every line, we're gonna sing that. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Yeah, sure.
All away the bowling, Kitty is me darling. All away the bowling, ho. All away the bowling, the Kitty lives in Liverpool. All away the bowling, ho. All away the bowling, I won't go there no more, boys. All away the bowling, ho. All away the bowling, she keeps a bulldog by the door. All away the bowling, ho. There you go.
I feel like a pirate now.
It's got a shitload of verses, but you guys were putting in minimal effort.
It's very
Here
cool.
it's going.